Did you know 75% of all college students in the United States go into their college career undecided or change their major at least once? But what if you had an interactive educational device that made choosing a career not only informed, but also fun? Introducing CareerDiscovery.net Space. Using CareerDiscovery.net will help reduce uncertainty by letting young people learn more about some of the most exciting, in-demand careers in the world, while improving their ability to select a degree that they will actually use. But how does it work? Our futuristic AR-enabled 3D-printed collectible Space Explorer is scannable and activates the space modules in our Augmented Reality app, allowing students to learn from space industry's leaders, prominent entrepreneurs, and professionals working in the industry today through our video catalog. Plus, you'll get to build your core knowledge through interactive quizzes and challenges designed to help students think about space in a professional way. This will not only be a fun learning experience, it will also help students be noticed by those looking for new talent within the industry. Most interesting? We've decided to start with the space industry, which is set to grow to $1 trillion industry by 2040. We will eventually expand this to many other growing industries in science, technology, engineering, gaming, and many more. In the future, the CareerDiscovery.net platform will include curated courses, careers, assessments, mentors, and simulations helping students prepare for in-demand jobs aligned with industry needs in a more efficient way. To learn more and make your career discovery fun, visit CareerDiscovery.net today.